Today, let's take a look at this Festool KV Sys D8 parts box. Now this is awesome. If you're into cabinetry and you need to build cabinets that you can take apart and put back together, this is the system. So this is paired with the Domino 500. This is a really nice way to line things up, but also create tenons, joinery. You can use this for furniture. You can use this for so many different applications when you're building and doing carpentry. And this is sold separately. This does not come with this sustainer kit. So we're just going to do a very rough overview of what you're getting here. For starters, you're getting the tools required. So you're getting the drill bit, you're getting the actual mount and guide for drilling your holes. You're also getting a screwdriver to fasten all this together with. This is exactly how the box comes. So you're getting all the parts. So think of that big Swedish furniture store that we all love. This is sort of the same system. It's a little more complicated, but it works amazing. I got this because I have to build a lot of different boxes and transport them, and I don't have the space to move them as fully built units. So this is going to allow me to package everything flat, ship it off, reassemble on site, and then I'm good to go. I like this because it's super accurate. Everything lines up. If you're using the Domino and you're using all the measuring systems that come with this, then this system is going to work great for you. The other great thing about this system is it allows you to finish your cabinets flat. Now that's a big deal because sometimes when we're building cabinets, they're really narrow, deep. You can't get a spray gun in there. So when we're thinking about the painters and the finishers, it might be nice to be able to take it apart, lay it flat. They can spray coat everything, and then we can assemble it all together and ship it off or install it or whatever we're going to do. So that's why I really like this system. It opens up the options for finishing and for installation. It also gives you more abilities to attach end gable panels, things that are maybe harder to do if you don't want to be seeing screw holes or nail holes, just a way to work around these problems. In this kit, you're getting some dominoes, you're getting the fastener systems, you're getting a whole bunch of little goodies in here, you're getting caps. So these are the 4 colors that they give you. You get white, gray, silver, and a tan color. The tan is the one that I'd probably use the most because I'm using a hard rock maple to build a lot of my cabinets. Or I'd use the white one for melamine. So you've got some options to get you going. Now you can buy all of these parts separately as well. So if you run out of one more than the other, you can actually fill them up. And there's extra space in here so that you can actually add to this. All right, guys, I hope this little sneak peek of what you get in this box was helpful. Keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.